Hi everyone, my name is Sanjeev. In this video, I will demo how to integrate Mule application with AWS SNS and AWS SQS. AWS SNS is a simple notification service from AWS and AWS SQS a simple queue service from AWS. I will start the demo now. I have created a Mule application AWS SNS SQS demo. In this application, I'm trying to implement a use case where order system trying to send a order message to inventory system and shipment system. So order system will publish a message to a topic, SNS topic, and that message will be routed to the multiple subscriber. In this case, it will be routed to the inventory and shipment queues. So in this scenario, I'm trying to implement publish subscriber asynchronous design pattern where there will be a publisher that will publish a message to topic, and that message will be routed to the different queues, and there will be multiple subscriber that would be interested in that message, order message. So we are going to create subscribers. In this case, there would be inventory subscriber and shipment subscriber, and both these subscriber will receive the message. Order message will be published and sent to the inventory and shipment system. In this demo, processing of the message in target system, inventory system, and shipment system is very trivial. I'm just logging the message, but in real scenario you might need to process this order message in inventory system and same order message in shipment system. So I will start now enhancing this flow. I will first add the connectors. So I will search the connector in Exchange. My session is expired. I need to log in first. I have logged in. Now I will search the AWS SNS connector first. I will search just SNS. Okay, I got the response. So I'm going to add this Amazon SNS connector. Click add. So Amazon SNS connector has been added to my this project. Now I will add the SQS connector. Click add. So I have added the Amazon SNS and Amazon SQS connector to this project. Now I will use the publish method of SNS. So I will drag the publish method here. Now I will use the SQS service and I will receive the message from the queue. So I will use the receive messages source event, and I use the receive message for the shipment flow as well as a source event. Now before I can further configure the configuration and property of these connectors, I have to go to the AWS management console, and I need to configure the topic and queues. So this is my AWS management console. I will go to the first simple queue service, and here I will create the queue. I will create the standard queue. I will give the name inventory queue. I will keep the rest of the configuration default and I will click create. So I have created the inventory queue. Now I will go back and I will create one more queue, standard queue, and I will give the name shipment queue. Click create. So I have created two queue, inventory queue and shipment queue. Now I will create the topic, SNS topic. So I will go to a simple notification service. Here I will give the name of the topic. So I will say order topic, click next. I will create a standard topic. I will keep the rest of the configuration default. I will click create topic. So I have created the order topic. Now I will configure the subscriber of this topic. So here I will create the subscriber. For protocol, I will select Amazon SQS simple queue service. And here I will select the inventory queue first. Click create subscription. So I have created the subscription. Now I will configure one more subscriber. Create subscription. Here protocol, I will select Amazon SQS endpoint shipment queue. Click create subscription. So I have created the subscription. Now I will go back to the SQS. Here I will also configure the SNS subscriptions. So I will click subscribe to Amazon SNS topic. And here I will select the topic, order topic, click save. Similarly, I will go to the shipment queue. And here also I will click subscribe to Amazon SNS topic. And I will give the name order topic, click save. So I have configured the topic and the queue and I have completed the subscription. Now I will go back to the Anypoint Studio and here I will configure the different operations. So first I will configure the connector configuration for SNS. So I will click plus. Here I need to provide the access key and secret key, and this I need to create in AWS. So I will go back to the AWS management console. I will go to the security credentials and here I will create the access key. So I will click create access key, create access key. So I got the access key. I will copy the key and I will paste it here in this connector configuration. Now I will copy the secret access key as well. So I copied the secret key as well. Region endpoint default is fine. Now I will provide the test topic. So I will go to the SNS service. Here I will copy the ARN value. I will paste in test topic, test the connection. So test connection is successful. Click OK. Now here in configuration, I will provide the topic ARN. I will paste it. We just copied a few seconds back. I will keep rest of the property default. Click save. Now I will configure the SQS. Here I need to create the connector configuration. So here also I need to provide access key and secret key, and we can copy the same access key and secret key. So I will copy first access key. So this is access key. I will copy this and I will paste it here. Secret key we cannot copy from here because that is only when we create the access key, that time only we can copy. So I will go ahead and copy from the our SNS configuration. So I will copy the secret key from here and paste it here in SQS. Reason is default is fine. Here I will provide the QARN. So I will go to the SQS. I will copy the ARN from here and paste it here in this connector configuration. Test the connection. So connection is successful. Click OK. Click OK. Here I will provide the queue URL. So I will copy the queue URL from SQS, and this is the URL. Paste it here. Now for a shipment flow, I will use the same connector configuration, and here I will provide the queue URL for the shipment queue. So I will copy from here. I will copy this queue URL, paste it here. I will keep rest of the property default. So I saved the application. Now I will show you the flow here. This is HTTP listener. This I have published path, and here I'm logging the message. Message will be published and message is. Then I'm publishing the message, and at the end I'm just logging the payload response. In the receive flows for inventory, we are receiving the message when it will come to the inventory queue. Here I'm just first I am converting the received message in JSON format and putting in a variable. Then I'm using the variable to build this payload. So here, to distinguish between the inventory log and the shipment log, I'm just building this one field, and I'm putting the value from inventory queue. Similarly, in the shipment, I'm saying from shipment queue, and here variable, I'm adding the same variable received message, and I'm converting first actually in the JSON format. Then I'm just getting the message type from the received message that is actually in the variable right now. So I'm taking type property and building the message type. Similarly, I'm also building the message ID, getting from the message ID field, and at the end I'm converting the message again back in a JSON format. So this is a property, that is a message property in this whole payload, received payload. So I'm taking the message property because that is a string. I'm converting that back again actually in the JSON format, and I'm adding actually in the message field, JSON message field. So I'm doing both plays same. So it's the same script. Only thing I'm here distinguishing between the this from queue name. Here is a from inventory queue, and they are actually from shipment queue. And at the end, I'm logging the message saying message received and message is this in both places. So I will run this application. Application has been started. Let me clear the console. Now I will go to the postman, and I will publish a message to the order topic, and that message should be received by both flow because we have subscriber defined in order topic. We have two subscriber for topic, one actually the queue, inventory queue, another is shipment queue. So both queue will receive the message, and we should see the log here. So I will publish the message using publish endpoint, click send. Okay, no read write handler for the name. Okay, let me check this. What is the issue? So message will be published, and message is we are getting from this log. Then we are getting the error when we are trying to publish. So we got only one log, and after that we have the error. So let me check the publish property settings. Okay, message, we should send this message in a JSON format. I will use the write operation, write payload, and I will convert in application JSON. Let me save it, stop the application, and run again. Application has been deployed. Let me clear the console, and I will go to the postman. I will send the order message again. Okay, this time we got the proper response. So let me go to the console. So there is no error. So we got the message. Message will be published, and message is. So this is the message we are going to publish. And then we got the log from shipment, received shipment flow. So we got the message in shipment queue, and message type is notification. This is message ID, and this is the message we got it. So shipment queue got it. So that's why shipment flow got it the message. same message. Similarly, this is we are getting from inventory queue. So inventory flow got the message, and message type notification, this is message ID, and this is the message. So both inventory queue and shipment queue got the message that is published to the order topic, and then both inventory receive inventory demo flow and receive shipment demo flow. Both flow got the message, and that's why we are logging here. So this is how you can implement the use case where you need to send a event or message to multiple systems using SNS, and then adding the subscriber, and you can add multiple subscriber and same message you can send to the multiple subscriber. So here we implemented the publish subscriber asynchronous design pattern using AWS SNS and AWS SQS. If we have a use case where we don't have to send a message to multiple systems and we only need to send a message to a single system, then we don't need Amazon SNS. We can simply use the Amazon SQS, and you can send the message to the Amazon SQS using send message operation, and you can receive it in a different flow. That means different thread, you can receive the message from the queue. We already used the receive message operation here in these receive inventory flow and receive shipment flow. But you can try this use case and send message. I'm leaving this for your exercise, and you can implement the send message and receive message where only single consumer is interested in a message. This is the end of the video. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.